let's go. It's okay, it's alright. Girl, I'm fine with my wife.
Si falua pula para famua se wala para ko lua wa se le fua ngalala vai e kai mai so sua fua ni bo bua e falo mai bo fua vai male ro falo bola nge blonga le ma wa sar konga fie bo bo mar kalonga si bimba wa wa solar benge e fa benge e ula para base.
Like everywhere I look, everywhere I go, girls approach me, they all wanna know what my number is, can they call me on my phone? No matter what I say, they won't leave me alone. It must be the shoes, it must be the clothes. The shorty don't know me, but she down the road. But I'ma be a man, I'ma tell her no. You might be fine, but I got a girl back at home.
She came and said, so let's sing, so you and me, my house, let's go. It's okay, it's alright. Girl, I'm fine with my. She came and said, so let's sing, so you and me, my house, let's go. It's okay, it's alright. Girl, I'm fine with my wife.
Kasi mo ko so le sale mo alu sa fusi ma mo po mai ko ba yo ba esasi o ko 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 le mas fala si mai pasi po ko ya fa kasi e ole ma fai ka le nga ngu po pa ki ngai ka le la ba mo le ba ba le ngu mai brother what I le o master I find my face ko ba ma wo e asa.
Hey, I just wanna know if we can rendezvous, but keep it on the low. I'm like, damn, thank you, man, but her body was wham bam. I'm thinking like, goddamn, should I or should I not? Soon I up tickets, hope please, I'm feeling wishing, hope that my girl don't get really suspicious, cause this girl she's still insisting kissing, but I'm pussy. Hey, yeah, cango yeah, like wishy.
She came and said, so let's sing, so you and me, my house, let's go. It's okay, it's alright. Girl, I'm fine with my. She came and said, so let's sing, so you and me, my house, let's go. It's okay, it's alright. Girl, I'm fine with my wife.
Malo life se fai ba fika lue mai yo fika ya ka ika ya wa fika wa ulava me pila musika mole au fare ila ai na le pa ne ba au mole ai o bala ba se ka uni mai ikua kuni mai sasa ma alo angi lo be lo is ma
Como como se fai se como sip so shy guys sole heva mai se ya au fika pe ya o ro ngi ka o tele fia misa ai pomule musika sleep rock yes pen vai se o mai vai a fika au ko ki ai vai au pulang ara le fika mai vai ko musika fai pe au ko ki ai.
She came and said, so let's sing, so you and me, my house, let's go. It's okay, it's alright. Girl, I'm fine with my. She came and said, so let's sing, so you and me, my house, let's go. It's okay, it's alright. Girl, I'm fine with my wife.
Oh my gosh. How about a special guest for your Friday? Talofa lava everyone. Bulavinaka, malo elele. Every greeting under the sun. A warm Pacific greetings to all of our viewers who have tuned in. Man, check this girl out. Check.
I just wanted to come cover your camera with my headpiece. Sorry.
How about that vibe? Can you feel that Friday vibe? Today on our show on BluTable Talanoa here at the Pacific Business Hub, we have the beautiful, the stunning Tina Maro, New FM 531 radio host.
T.
Model. Oh, get it?
She is.
A presenter, a community advocate. Oh my gosh. Give our viewers some of that vibe.
First of all, sister, thank you so much for letting me come onto your show. Me take out the wolo. Also to our beautiful community that's tuning in for this amazing platform. But what an opportunity, sister. I'm just really grateful to be on your show. Sharing what we do, but enjoying the Friday vibe. Wearing this headpiece for you.
I think the whole of the Pacific Business Hub heard her vibe because, oh my God, the doors are closed.
You can see Laura going, please, keep her out.
But it's a good vibe. It's your Friday vibe here, honestly.
I'm just happy. Like, as soon as I saw you, but as soon as I saw the whole family here at Pacific Hub, they're always making me feel like family, and that's what it's all about. And yeah, I'm just on a Friday vibe right now. So you started the mood off. You started the mood.
Anyways, tell us a little bit about yourself. You know, obviously you're Cook Island and you're
African.
so what a mix.
Yes, so my mother is from Puka Puka, which is an island located in the Cook Islands, northern. Then my father's from Africa, from a small village called Kumasi, and that's located in Africa. And I've been brought up here in South Okalani since I was 10. Originally brought up in Mount Roscoe, but pretty much been brought up in New Zealand my whole life. So, and you can hear that through my poly proud accent that we just like to carry around. But yeah, I'm just super blessed just to be around my poly people.
Yeah.
Like, it's always crazy, but epic to, I guess, clash the two together and just make this crazy coconut.
Crazy coconut. And today was pretty crazy.
Yes.
Tell us how today was here. Let our viewers know what's happening here with Blue.
So, here with this amazing platform of, what you all do on the daily, but they are celebrating Mother's Day that's coming up, obviously, next week. So for those that are tuning in right now and saying, oh my gosh, I didn't get anything for my mum, well, we've got just the thing for you. So Hannah and the team, along with her family, they've got this epic idea and concept to take images of your mothers, but also just to pay tribute to their love, but the commitment that they do all year round. It's not just Mother's Day, right? But it's, we get Mother's Day all day, every day. And I just think, what a way to just thank your parents, but especially thank our mothers for what they do on the daily, behind the scene, behind the light. But yeah, I think it's just a great concept, and I give so much love to the team, to yourself, to Hannah, like the photographers, the sister here, like people behind the scene that are trying to bring our light. And what I love about it, sis, is like it's Polynesian. Yeah. It's purely Polynesian. Photographers, it's Polynesian. Cameraman at the back, it's Polynesian. You're next to me, like that's the heat and that's the fire that I love right now that is happening. It's purely Polynesian, doing epic Polynesian things. And for you all out there, like, get onto this. Like, it's crazy. I love that we have platforms, we have businesses, we have people that are out here doing the mahi, doing the work. And it's just Pacific Fire, man. Pacific Fire going worldwide.
So behind us,
yes,
we were the team set up for a photo shoot.
Yes.
Tell us how did that feel, you and Mum?
Yes, let's begin with, I've never taken a photo shoot with my mum, sis. What? Honest to God, like, I haven't. And when Hannah approached me, I was like, oh my God, sis, I've never taken a photo shoot with my mom. Like, this is going to be great. It's going to be epic. But just being in the vibe there, it's quite emotional as well, because, you're used to just being around different people. Yeah. But when you're in front of your own family and you're like, like, I better do this right in front of my mom. But I think I was enjoying it. Like, I get to enjoy just being with my loved ones around me. And that was the beauty of it. It's just like, it's nothing to do with money, but you're acknowledging them with their beauty, with their love, like their features, like all of this that we're wearing is great, but just that chemistry that we had was
during
epic. During the photo shoot.
Chemistry. It was.
I don't know how to spell it, but I know how to say
capital
it.
C.
Do we say biology or chemistry?
Biology, chemistry, DNA.
Or the G.
I don't know, but seriously though, that vibe that you, man, as soon as she walked in, Tina and Mum walked in, what a vibrant explosion here at the Pacific Hub, and everyone was like,
is she all right?
Is she just naturally like happy, or is she just...
when I walk past her, like, sis, when I walk past you, you're already smiling from when I was walking out of the tour. No, you're already giving me vibes.
The vibe is good. So you've told our viewers how awesome it was to have a special photo shoot with Mum.
Yeah, it was epically special, sissy. And I just have to say, try it. I think a lot of us, we take a lot of photos on Instagram, Facebook. We do probably photo shoots with other brands, other people, but try spending that time with your own family and like doing something. Like, this was an eye opener for me, because I'm like, I've never thought of doing a photo shoot with
Because it was
my own
in
family,
your
my
culture,
own aina.
your culture attire, which is what is very special with this photo shoot. And we did show on Blue Wave. You can check out the Blue Wave page. That will have a lot more information.
Yes.
But tell us a little bit about the combination. You've done a combination of both, and you've you haven't forgotten about where you come from Africa, and also from the beautiful island of La Lukonga.
Yes, Lokonga, Kuki Airani, like, I wanted to just pay tribute to both cultures because they've made the person that I am today, but also how my mom has carried our heritage solely. Growing up, it was always a challenge to measure to, like, inside, I was purely Pacific Islander, like, loud, eats a lot, just always happy, Fepoko ass, and like that was me. But on the outside, I had strong African features. So my mom always, embedded into us to be proud of where you come from, be proud of your afro, be proud of your eyes, be proud of your culture, be proud of your skin, and that's why I solidly carry that. With the scarman that I'm wearing is purely Pacific, and it's not from, like, it's not Chinese, I'm gonna say I love my Chinese people, but it's purely from the islands. Like they've used their hands to make this outfit, and with this headpiece as well. Masafina, she's strongly her heritage of being Zimbabwean, Ghanaian, like as well, like pay tribute to that. So it's from the hands of our people that have created this. So it's just
extra
to carry that, we have to be extra.
And today she was extra with mum, and it was very emotional, and it was nice. It was you can see the special bond a mum and a child has, and then that culture photo shoot that really brought it everything together.
And for yourself as a mum as well, it is important for us to just, like, sometimes step back and just be like, you know what? Yes, there are, like, fearless, badass Polynesian women that do the most in front of the light and behind the light. And, like, girl, I know you're doing that right now. So I'm just, I'm just grateful and happy, like, we get to do that and celebrate that within our own area.
With the photo shoot, if, the first time you've had a photo shoot with mum.
Yes.
If you had the chance to, tell us how this really feels, and what would you say to, just because everyone's like, it's just a photo shoot, but it's not just a photo shoot.
That's right.
Tell the viewers how special it was. What's that one moment that you thought, wow?
That's a really beautiful question, sis, and thanks for asking me that. Like, even if it was Mother's Day or not, it was knowing that you have to have time for your loved ones. And I'm that type of person that's always doing shoots for others. And then, we just love people. That's within our blood, being Pacific. Like, we just always give. But it's just made me think, like, wow, all these years, all these shoots, and all this time, I haven't done something special like that with mom. So I think it's just taking the time to breathe, but enjoy these moments with your loved ones. And, like, I'm always saying, you know what? It's funny because I always say that, but girl, you're not even doing it. So today was just one of those special moments, like, wow, you actually did something that was beneficial for you and your family.
And for mom.
And for mom as well. It's just like, she's always at the back because she's not the type of person to always be in the front. That's why she's felt a little awkward, and she was like, there's too many lights. You're used to this. You're always in front of lights. But sometimes I just realize, man, you gotta give that light to your parents as well, even though they don't like it. Like, show them. And I was like, I appreciate this platform. I appreciate the team. Looking at, yes, it's a photo shoot, but it's more than that. It's acknowledging our parents, acknowledging the roots, acknowledging purely Pacific own, like, we're just at our peak. And the vision is beyond this. And that's why I was like, when I finished the photo shoot, I was like, y'all are smart.
Y'all are smart.
You guys are just looking beyond the photo shoot. And I'm just excited to see what
I
else
love that. Looking beyond the photo shoot. I love that. I'm going to take that. Looking beyond the photo shoot. Look, sis, Tina, it has been an absolute honour having you on the show. Lastly, quickly say something special to Mum because, while we hype everyone up for Mother's Day, what is one special thing that you can say about Mum?
Yes, first of all, I'd like to say to all our mothers out there, thank you so much for your service, your love. And to my mum, I love you. Thanks for keeping up with this loud mouth. We love yous.
That's it. We've got to let Tina go. She's coming for a photo shoot. She's going to shoot out. Tina, thank you. Whawhetai lava.
Whawhetai lava.
It's an absolute pleasure having you today.
Thank you, sister.
Stay tuned because we've got the team coming up right next to give you a little bit of an insight about what the top 10 presents are for this year.
Yes.
I Googled it, don't worry, it's the top 10. Stay tuned, thank you.
It's where my darling goes. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, where kids forever go. Yeah, Tina lava, say alangaoa, oh se lave mai, oh se pamoa, ai uale mapai le papapine o soba, e chau o solava ile mea ponsa. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, it's where my darling goes. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, where kids forever go. Sunga tinge sole chama, jonga tukuole baa, solo baila ila ya polinga ile yo vecina, ulo vale leine no se pea chocha, baine imu ale yo ile chunga. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, it's where my darling goes. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, where kids forever go. Forever go. Down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, it's where my darling goes. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, where kids forever go. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, it's where my darling goes. Whoa, down the Vicinango, down the river flows, down the Vicinango, where kids forever go.
Talanoa. In Samoa, English is not our first language, but like the rock, we are try very hard. So, let me say, check this out.
You walked into the room with a smile upon my face, smile upon my face. Do you still remember? I said, please don't leave too soon, 'cause I really wanna know your name. I'll never forget that day. Now we have come a long way, and time goes by so fast. Time goes by so fast. You taught me to love again and put trust back in my heart. 'Cause you ain't my sweetie pie or the apple of my eye. You are that amazing, humble girl that's running around my mind. Whatever I do, you know, no matter near or far. Wherever you go, I go, my darling. Wherever you are, I are. Wherever you are, I are. It ain't so hard to be so lost in the love you found. Lost in the love you found. Cause the beauty that I can see goes deep within yourself. Deep within yourself. You bring out the best in me. Put my feet down on the ground. Feet down on the ground. Both of them. And all the love you share with me, my baby, I'm gonna mix it with the sound. No mix it like a salad or chop suey. 'Cause you ain't my sweetie pie or the apple of my eye. You are that amazing, humble girl that's running around my mind. Whatever I do, you know, no matter near or far. Wherever you go, I go, my darling. Wherever you are, I are. Wherever you are, I are. Tulo, excuse me. Ngakale fa ya besele ya ile ya mastis wa fika le beses ui fo ingalo le feta ui mai verape fi we fa pipi ya ngango ko ka api o pa wa ka ole pitch English ngeila sa muta ka ole broken English kelele se senga le o se meleanga pe ya like fusu ese umapanga sa uma seli wa ai oka abayanga ei mo so lo ingal fi romantic kola kama uma ya ko kongi sauti na sai mingi kipit kele fongi kule angry baby singi sekial baby lale pe tampoe o oile sama on the apple of my eye. You are that amazing, humble girl that's running around my mind. Whatever I do, you know, no matter near or far. Wherever you go, I go, my darling. Wherever you are, I are. Wherever you are, I are. You said that I was gifted. All I had to do was use it. If I thought that I was gonna lose it, there wasn't one doubt in you.
Wherever I are, you are. Wherever he is. Talofa lava, and it has been okase makango feeling e asofa lele. It's been, oh my goodness, it's been a good Friday. You know, here at the Pacific Business Hub, the Blue Wave team, the Blue TV team, oh, you name it. It has been an amazing Friday, and I think I was so overwhelmed with how makango the Friday was. I said a statement out to Martin today. I said to Martin, the team, if I was to describe how happy I am currently right now,
I would say you said it's illegal to be this, happy at work.
It is. It's illegal. You cannot be this happy at work. That's just, and it's been great. And we've mentioned all the time, we've surrounded ourselves with some amazing, motivated, driven, business mind people, and not just that, their families. Laura is amazing. So if you need any advice for your existing, or want to build an empire like here, the Pacific Business Hub, man, head down. check it out. Come and hang out with the team or come and talk to Laura.
Absolutely. We've got so many cool people here.
Yep,
we've got lawyers, accountants, CEOs, insurance, and if you need a mentor or just people who to talk to, if you know you have an idea, Pacific Business Hub is where it's at.
100%. And I'm gonna say it, how happy currently I think I can describe what heaven looks like. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's a good feeling. And you know, the support system has been, and I think that's what we're going to talk about with support system, the love, that heavenly love that we get from our dedicated mums. Hana, let us know. You know, we've had an amazing day. We've had a few photo shoots today.
So good. A Tongan one and a Rarotongan / Ghana. Tina's from Ghana. Yeah, from Africa.
How cool is that? Tell our viewers, please. You know, okay, so before I let Hannah explain, I did do a Google for the top 10 gift ideas for mum.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And
what did that look like?
It looked photos. It was a personalized cup with the photo on it. It was a personalized candle. There's a LED candle.
Wow.
E poe aleaka mum ia ma pepe or you know, mum and dad, and they have it on this.
That's amazing.
You know, and everything is personalized with a photo. What does that tell you?
Yeah.
Man, photo shoot. And our Pacifica people, you know, we're so connected to mum. We're so connected
Big
to
believers
our
in
aina.
family.
Big
believers.
believers.
And so like at Blue Wave, we're a big and firm believer in family as well.
Yeah.
So
And culture.
Yeah, and culture. Because, you know, it all intertwines.
Yeah.
So we're running an awesome special,
Yes.
a Mother's Day special. So to capture 30 professional photos of you and your mum for up to 5 people, only for $300, you can get some amazing portraits taken. If you want a canvas, we can also do that for you at an extra cost. But definitely not a special I'd want to miss out on. Yeah. These things usually cost $700 up.
Plus. And that doesn't, and that's 700 plus, which is just the seat.
Yeah,
Like just the photo shoot.
Yeah.
Doesn't include the editing.
And
Doesn't
probably not
include
even 5 people.
And it's not just 5 people. I think.
Oh, it's actually more than 1,000.
Yeah.
Just
But
in
I
from
think-
our info center.
Thank you. But honestly, the vibe today, you know, if you haven't already, follow us on TikTok. Man, you can check it out.
You
because
can
it's
check
really
it out.
good.
Seriously, we're going to be putting out some more content today. We did a shot with Tina, who was on the show earlier, and she's half Rarotongan and half, African. And this is the first photo shoot she's had with her mum. And she's a model. You know, she's going overseas, flying to this country to model. So she said this one means a lot to her because it was the first one she's had with her mum. And she said her mum's always behind the scenes, supporting her. And so this meant a lot to her. And I guess we're blessed because we get to see it happen.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like
get
to
to
see all
have
these
that
magical
energy.
moments, and we get to capture it. Like it's a blessing, to be honest.
It is a blessing. It's a blessing to see how happy mum is taking a photo shoot. You know, they're quite cheeky and
So much shy.
fun-loving.
Yeah.
But it's been good. How was this morning's photo shoot?
It was awesome. So we had Esau on.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Esau.
Shout out to Esau, Tina,
Yes.
and mum.
Yes, and mum too. So Esau came with his mum, and they came with their beautiful Tongan cultural attire, and they were just natural. They honestly, they did their thing.
Yeah.
And it looked like they enjoyed it. Esau just finished reposting his photo shoot, which is really good on TikTok. So check that out as well. Follow Esau. He's awesome. He's a good friend. Yeah. And I met him at a protest, the Temper Zone protest actually, and he was a photographer there. So, yeah.
Well, awesome. I'm sure producer Lemo has the photos up ready. Producer Lemo from Molia.
Look at that.
Wow.
That is amazing. Look at the skin tones and the browns. It looks so good. So we can definitely do these photos for you and your mum for $300. So for $300, we can take 30 professional photos of you and your mum for up to 5 people. We can dress one mother up in a tuinga if needed be. And these are the photos that we are producing. So some amazing photos. We can also print them out on a canvas at an extra cost, but all of this costs $300. So it's our Mother's Day special for $300.
Man, how warm are those photos? You know, definitely can.
Good to have up on the wall, eh?
And it's the trend. I can see it now, you know, photo, that photo just there, you know, in the lounge. Not a big mess, but, you know, you just sit.
Yeah.
Just, you know, I think that's going to be good.
Yeah, I think so too.
What page can our awesome viewers go to?
Right.
For...
So if you want to book, we'll bring it up on the screen here. So we have Blue Wave. This is our Facebook.
Yeah.
So you can check us out on our Facebook. You can also see our website on www.bluewave.co.nz. So it's BLUWAVE.co.nz. And on the website, we'll have a link so that you guys can book a time and a date to come in with your mum and take your photos for $300. So, get that booking in on our website or on our Facebook, or just give us a message on either platform and we'll be able to help you out with any inquiries.
That's so awesome, Hannah. Don't worry about the tuinga and some of the outfits that you've got, because they've got everything sorted. Is that right?
Yes. So, so just for the Samoan, we can dress one mother up with the tuinga. Yeah. And we'll have everything ready here for her. So just come in your pulatasi and we'll get the family ready and photo ready. And, you know, a lot of the tuinga that's been used has been handmade by an amazing, she's another Exactly.
Oka se pokoling, a stunning mom.
She's a mom too. She's a mom too. Yeah.
Oka se auleling a mom le. Alofa foiling a mom. Oh my gosh. Bofenga ka fauling a mom a weekend. But also a massive shout out to Sei Oriana, one of our sponsors for BluTable Talanoa, who also is sponsoring our gear for the photo shoot. And you can see behind me another kuinga as well. So don't worry about ula fala, you know, the Gangwa. We will be here and we will have everything sorted. You just turn up, pretty little face.
Have some music playing, get the atmosphere going,
yeah.
and it'll be a great experience.
Yeah.
So don't be shy. We're not going to be here telling you to be a model or anything. We're going to make it comfortable for you and your family.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. The information is on our Facebook page, so don't forget. Right up next, we're going to talk a little bit more about mum and a few ideas on how you can, you know, decorate your sitting room with your photo that you're going to get from here, your photo shoot. And it's a treasured
moments, honestly.
Treasured moments.
Yeah.
And you can't, you can't put money on that, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Just saying. Anyways, we're going to go into a music break. Right after this, we might just get another mum on the show. I'm thinking the mum that went on holiday. Stay tuned, everyone.
See ya.
tofia tamatane o le mumata i le afi se vai ane la fasasaunga e se launga lako auna i mafofaunga i li Lei se vodka, lei se cheese, lei se tequila, fai a whaafi Lei se poker, lei se pia, musika e paki lia Le tofia tamatane o pui puina aina se vai ane la fasasaunga e se launga lako auna i mafofaunga i li Lei se vodka, lei se cheese, lei se tequila, fai a whaafi Lei se poker, lei se pia, musika e paki lia Kasi le kama e valua popo, o lesi kama e kakau Lua kama e valu kau, o lesi o fiu au O eke kumai ai le pusa le u, ola le mafofau Ako fafia ngai au kuanga, whaloloa i au kau au Fili mai lau ua, le angai vavenga asa le umu Lakungi maa asa o lo saitu e le vai i a kumu Maa i lau i ofi ma le lau mango, oi i sulu e koe fili ma le lau anga le wai fafo le ua le sumu Maa fea, le mawhainga kali e lango lango A asa le anga o maa e mereka e le vai singango Pasi mai le se sae, ka buke whai a mama E iai ni mea ngako koe anga poe, mga oi koe whaafanga Ai ale ai, ka ngolo e fasusu mai lau pea kanga Su e masau i e ofi, o le a homo le ua kama Cinderella, sau oi i pe ai ke pae e Lua lau niu le leiva ai koe i se e Ipi i mau Spider-Man, ipi e peise fe e Se si ai pa u, ai le umal kako pise me Tofia tamatane le mumata i le afi Se vai ane la fasasaunga e se launga lau auna e mafofaunga ki li Lei se vodka, lei se cheese, lei se tequila, fai a whaafi Lei se poker, lei se pia, musika e paki lia Le tofia tamatane le pui puinga aina Se vai ane la fasasaunga e se launga lau auna e mafofaunga ki li Lei se vodka, lei se cheese, lei se tequila, fai a whaafi Lei se poker, lei se pia, musika e paki lia Fai mai mama, e mua mua le sua le whawhianganga So so oi le ma le sua, o le sa o le ainga Samoa, o mengi e whai mamasanginga Walala whanga, e pele i lo loko whalanginga O le moanga i le au si, e te koe e inga whamai o le i aivivi O le fuela velave, o le koko o le ngausi, o le kupua i le make i O le vau filifili nga o le akonga ki sila fi Le so ngalo kia man, ka kaunga e whaai keke Peia so whai special units mai meleke Ka ape la songa fua e koko kusa apang pang keke Peia e ke la vese ma fui e me kai e skeke O le kofi au ka u, o le pui puinga O whawhinge ma makua, ia fura kau kua a esu ea Shua e ke mau o le piko i kua, whai o le palapala Ma kwa i opa le mango sua, ngo o fongo whakapii Wai lai kiki, le avi vii e whinga kāleanga e kose i whala lii Whai vau ka maali i o le whekalai O whai vau le au manga, o le koko inga o le fongo makai Ma aloso le muku, e pola pui pui ma vaavai So ma kupala pala i te a, o wanga ngalo se kakalo whaafukai O le tofia tamatane, o le mumata i le afi Se vai ane la fasasaunga e se launga lau auna i mafofaunga ki li Lei se vodka, lei se cheese, lei se tequila, fai a whaafi Lei se poker, lei se pia, musika e paki lia O le tofia tamatane, o le pui puinga aina Se vai ane la fasasaunga e se launga lau auna i mafofaunga ki li Lei se vodka, lei se cheese, lei se tequila, fai a whaafi Lei se poker, lei se pia, musika e paki lia O le kama le mangu, e whawhanga i ke wila Whangala au i ila, o whilila, o musenta ma ke kapila au kākou Fiu e ei fusipau, salu lima, o se e vai, o se sae Wai au ki poki wila, sau malea oa inga e kuku kalinga O le kama i ki ke poko, e ngake whaonga inga E vili leo leo ea, loka loko inga Se kango i whapasenga, mai kausanga o langa kausinga Na makofu le manu, makiva le kango lima Na o langa kuspa ia,
It's
le sa lima
Friday.
ka inga
Sasu Falele, and today we have dragged in someone who has been on a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Must be nice. Ayo se ngea le ngei holiday wa le vanga pe umanga halu masinga ako holiday kako kenge. Just kidding. But it is all things about mothers, and today we thought we would drag in that busy mum. Rosie, talofa lava, kia ora, kia orana, malo elele, nan it's so good. Kia ora, bro. How was your road trip?
It was really, really awesome.
Yeah.
It was refreshing. And me and the typical person that I am, I don't know how to take a break.
Yeah.
I don't know how to take a break. I do not know.
I know, you know, ole mea mali. Ka o mele road trip le kako genge, And we already know Rosie is hands-on, always full-on. Bisikile, this mum, you know. But she went on the road trip, finally, this is the first time out.
Yeah, this is actually the first time that I've like stopped and actually took time out and actually listened to my nagging husband and his children. Yeah, and I jumped the gun, booked the caravan, and off we went with no budget, no money.
Budget, and I
We
love
just-
that.
Bing, go.
Just go and have fun.
Yeah.
As a busy mum, busy schedule, and now you've just told everyone, all of the 10 million viewers, le wa e whalangoa mai, first time, how did it feel?
It felt funny because you know, for me as a Samoan, like in the islands, a tourist, like no offense, not being racist, nothing to do with racism, but a tourist is a white person, But then now that we've switched tables, and I'm the tourist, so it's kind of weird.
Wow, you know, this tourist, you look good, you're glowing. You know,
Am I?
and it's you are. It was a good break, huh?
Yeah, I think I needed it. Like,
I think you needed it. A few of the producers needed it.
Yeah.
A few of the team members needed it because you know what, Rosie is so full on, so hands on that when this beautiful, stunning mom, Rosie, comes into the office, e ke longo whiwa o mai a Rosie, do this, do this, do this, do this. Needs to be done. Follow up, you know, and it is. And it's that motherly thing that Rosie's got going on. It's really nice to see that you've taken your family for a well-deserved break.
I know. And that's what everyone should do for their moms, say.
No.
Take them on a
everyone,
break.
everyone should have a photo shoot with mum.
And a photo shoot.
And a photo shoot. Rosie, how busy was Rotorua though? Because I saw some photos. They look good.
Yeah. It was really good. I think because everyone's out there for their school holidays. But yeah, you should all come to Auckland for a photo shoot.
Yeah, that's a nice weekend getaway for Mother's Day. The kids, the most important little heartbeats of the trip. Yes. How did they love having mum there with them?
It was they really enjoyed it because it's something that's not normal in our household. Because I'm always absent. Usually the dad's absent, but the moms are absent, which is
but you're
different.
A working mum.
Yes, working mom. All the working moms out there.
Shout out, and it's not easy
Shout out
le
to
whai
all
mo
of them.
fea.
Yeah.
Because I know, na le la whaila le excuse nga mangule e whaalongo mai ale sio, the fit family. Because I know, you know, with the fit family, whainga ka.
Yeah, because we're both there.
We're both there and we're trying to get that work-life, fitness-life balance.
Yes.
So it's, you know, wank, wank, those ones. Really, really hard. But it's, you know, it's doable. We've done it.
Yes.
The mum. But now you've showed our viewers that you're glowing, you're happy, you had a good break.
Good break.
Good.
Should have a good break to a photo shoot.
Tell us a little bit more. Are you going to have... Oh, well, actually, Rosie's already had a
Yes,
photo
I
shoot.
was one of the first models. Hey, you and me.
Yes. But how was that for you? How was that feeling for you?
It was really awesome because I see that a lot of us, I think it's missing in Auckland, in New Zealand, like cultural photo shoots. So it's actually a really great idea.
Yeah.
That Blue Wave has come up with.
Yeah.
You know, and to capture your identity and your cultural self being dressed up. You know, it was nice experience.
I absolutely agree. But you know, ole mea leo kako a ka o ngai mai le whaalave lave e vave keleanga ku ule accounts ma ave whaapea. But it's too late, really. Why not capture the moment now.
A memory.
That memory that you can hold
Yes.
in your house forever. It's a treasured gift
Yeah.
that, you know, it's priceless. It is. And the moments that you have here of your photo, that's priceless as well.
Yeah, of course. Like, instead of trying to Photoshop yourself with your mom,
Yeah.
but instead a photo with your mom,
Yeah.
like together.
Together. I mean, let's be honest. And I'm not trying to criticize.
Yes, we're not.
Yeah,
We're not.
you know, the new artwork that's coming out. You know,
Yeah,
with,
that's
you know,
awesome too.
It's it's
Yeah.
an awesome feature, and we love that you can Photoshop.
Yeah.
You
Made
know,
easy for you.
sadly, people in, but why not? Why not have that moment, share that special moment now before it's too late? I'm just gonna put it out there before it's too late.
The other thing we want to see is the moms with the malu.
Yeah,
Yeah. Like you.
that
you-
would be.
That would be awesome to see because we haven't had malus come in yet, but that would be really cool to see. Especially your grandma,
Yeah,
your grandma with the malu.
yeah.
Yeah, the older people with the tattoo.
Yeah, and if Nana is still around, man, what? I don't know, but this is, you know, COVID has really hit us, you know, in a different way, and it has showcased and highlighted the importance of family. Because ke le loa le ke mi ka o mai ia le mai a mama, dad le I Samoa or Australia, we can't travel anymore,
Yeah.
and you know, and it's whainga kāre travel. Capture that moment. All I'm saying is
And
capture
speaking
that
of
moment.
family, shout out to my cousin Anna that's watching right now.
Also, yes, and a shout out to Mama Faitalia, who's made a shout out. Hi, thank you so much for tuning in. And also to Ene and Vera, thank you so much for tuning in. But that's it, you know, I think we've made it pretty clear that the moments, the treasure, that moment, oh my gosh, I don't know how else to tell you. It's pretty special. I mean,
Yeah.
Tui, even E.T. said how stunning the photos looked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he came. He's going to be showing it on the show as well tomorrow. He
Oh,
loves it.
nice.
He loves the idea.
Well, he should come in for a photo shoot too.
Yeah. Tui, you get a discount. It's $4.99 for you. Rosie, you've given us a lowdown on how amazing your trip was. If you could, your kids could, we'll go with your kids, what would your ideal gift be for Mother's Day? Be reasonable, be
If
nice.
my kids
man.
were to buy me a gift,
Yes.
I think they wouldn't really think hard about it, but they have this thing where a thought counts.
Yeah.
A thought matters.
Yeah.
So I know my daughter will buy me flowers.
Yeah.
And my son will buy me a cheap necklace from the $2 shop.
Oh.
Yeah.
But it's the thought that counts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a thought that
Yeah.
counts. Yeah.
Someone said a flight to Samoa.
Oh, a flight to Samoa. Yeah. Oh, I would love one of those right now.
Well, I went around the office today, actually.
Yeah.
And I was talking to a few of our mums around the office. And, you know, interesting conversation about what their ideal gift was. And one of the mums said that her kids are actually quite too young, so she would be just happy with something that they make a card, a special
yes.
card with the
I agree.
handprint and says Happy Mother's Day. Also, one of the other mums did say a trip to Samoa, actually, a vacation. Rosie's already been. And some of our mums said, "Mangea kupi."
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Some moms want that too. Bring it in, please. Dad, out there.
Rosie, what about, I know your mum must have everything. What
Yep.
would you, if you could pick something really special that you could give mum, what would that be?
That is a very hard question. But I know my mom, to be
Yeah.
honest, is the hardest person to buy a gift for.
Is she?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the hardest because what can you buy someone that has everything?
Yeah.
So I'll settle for a hug. Hey, Mom.
I think that we can compare your hug to your daughter's flowers. Rosie, honestly, it's good. You know, today we've been talking all about mums, the special photo shoot that we've got going here at the Blue Wave the Pacific Business Hub. that's happening as well. Jump online and you can book that in. How many sessions do we have? We've got tomorrow, I believe, yes?
Yes,
and,
tomorrow and Sunday.
And Sunday. So get in before that because, you know. Oh, see, oko se popular
Hi,
name, Mum.
Umu.
Rosie, what are you up to after this?
Just gonna hang around and watch Blue Wave. They have another photo shoot tonight.
Yes, we do.
Yeah,
We have
so
another photo shoot. So I'm pretty
becoming
excited for
popular.
that.
Yeah.
It's a,
So
it's a
don't miss
very
out.
popular
As you can
choice.
probably see in the background, we've already set up the photo shoot.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been fun being on.
It is fun.
BluTable Talanoa.
No, thank you. No, and do you have something special to say to your mum or to all the mums out there? Or any advice for the kids, you know, for gift-wise?
Oh yeah, well, kids, you know what to do.
Breakfast
Where
and
to
tea.
bring your mum for a gift.
Yeah.
Come have a photo shoot for mum. Bring mum in for a photo shoot.
And actually, producer Lemo Whaamole mō lea whaiwhi au aku ia oe ka lowhai. Do you, one last time, have any more of the photo shoots, the cultural ones? We've got our Tongan one, and we've also got a Samoan photo shoot as well. If you've got a photo there of Auntie who, she looks absolutely stunning. Here we have it.
Oh, there she is.
What a natural, you know.
Yeah.
And she is glowing. Obviously, she loves her photo shoots.
Yeah.
And we've got another photo here with the culture attire. Stunning. The beautiful hana. There, and you know what? And I'm just like looking at the quality of the photos as well.
I know. Beautiful, huh? Very stunning.
Stunning. Wait, boiling
Wow.
I
The
absolutely
beautiful
loved
bear.
it. I really did. It was a special moment. Yeah, it really was. I wished, you know, I could have that moment as well with the kids, but never
Oh,
mind.
more bear, yeah.
We could feel like work
So
it, girl.
overlaid.
Honestly, there you have it. Just a few of the stunning work that our team here at Blue Wave are doing for you. And the prices are pretty good.
Yes, it's actually really good because you get 30 photos.
Yeah.
And then you have your culture attire.
Which is, they don't have to pay extra to get that.
Yeah.
The team will have that all set
It's
up.
provided for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And our team is also working hard to add one more special thing, but we'll reveal it very soon.
One more special thing.
To add it to the package to make it extra nice for Mother's Day.
That's so awesome.
Oh, and shout out to Leasi. Hi, Leasi. Setima. Everyone say hi.
Yeah, we're going to invite this mum again on Monday. Look, everyone, it's been an amazing day. The feeling, the vibe, there's nothing I can say that
will
will
love
describe it.
Yeah.
It's an awesome, it's
You'll
going to be
enjoy.
good. Yeah, you will
Yeah.
enjoy. And if you're a little bit shy, don't worry. We've got like
We
a
have
section.
music.
Yeah, music.
To add into it, to
It's gonna-
give you a little, you know.
Whai lava siva, ata, bring ata. Don't worry. We are going to make you feel at home.
Of course.
Warm,
And our
inviting.
Pacific people, you know, our Pacific people, they're very warm and they come together, you know, and we'll always feel comfortable around our Pacific people.
And I'm pretty sure you can just give us a call, make an arrangement. You know, I think that's it. We're going to wrap it up because we are starting to bring in our photo shoots. So we need to wrap it up. It's been good having the beautiful, the stunning Rosie online. One last time, here's our Blue Wave Facebook page, and there is a link there that will connect you back to a booking system that's been set up. So don't worry about that. Monday, tune in. We have a very, very special guest who is only here till Tuesday, I think, and we've managed to get him and the owner of MakaNet, our only, the very first internet provider here in New Zealand. He's here to talk about his service and his story and connect back with our viewers. So stay tuned. Yeah. Guess what? We get free internet from Maka, sponsored. We are sponsored by the awesome Te Oriana, the Pacific Business Hub, MakaNet. Oh man, everyone here showing the love, letting us steal all of this space. That's it.
Thanks for having me, guys.
No, thank you for tuning in again for your BluTable Talanoa for your Friday. Everyone, God bless. Have a safe and blessed weekend. We're out.
Last weekend before school holiday. I mean, like when school comes back on.
That's right. Ka meiki lea onga Monday. Awangi ngalo. Awangi ngalo le lunch. God bless everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Sila isita maua tatia, ole tupu malea ua matalia. Italo pa ua tangia wewe ua otia ti solo ilea sa tulu tele. Sole ya ela totele, ole ta alonga pata matane. Erui la vai na tinga tele, ai muli a te ua repete. Sila isita maua tatia, ole tupu malea ua matalia. Italo pa ua tangia